Hello students, welcome back to our e-learning class. Today I will take class 12 economics class. Previous day I discussed about the liberalization. We have seen under liberalization there are some reforms. Industrial reforms, financial reforms, fiscal reforms or tax reforms and trade and investment reforms. So that day I also discussed about, I said that I will discuss about the demonetization. So today our topic is demonetization. So on 8 November 2016, our Prime Minister Narendra Modi has declared the demonetization of rupees 500 and 1000 currency notes. 8 November 2016, PM has declared. So what is the term demonetization? If I say in a simple words, demonetization means the notes, they are no longer valid as a legal currency. So what is the meaning of demonetization? Demonetized notes are no longer valid as legal currency. So this is the term demonetization. So in 2016, that was the first time to demonetize our currency, rupees 500,000. No. Previous years ago or many years ago also demonetized our Indian currency. Let's see. So in 1946, Reserve Bank has also declared the demonetized rupees 1000 and 10,000 currency notes, which were then under circulation. So (1946) demonetized rupees 1000 and rupees 10,000. Then this amount of the currency demonetized by the RBI, Reserve Bank of India. Now 1954, the government also introduced some new currency. Government introduced new currencies. These are rupees 1000, rupees 5000 and rupees 10,000. Then again in 1978, that time our government was the Morarji Desai. Who also demonetized rupees 1000, 5000 and 10,000 previous case we have seen demonetize our this amount of currencies note and also introduce some new currency notes. So what is the objectives behind the demonetization? Why the in 2016 government declared demonetized rupees 500 and 1000 currency notes? So let's see the objectives of demonetization. So first aim was to plug financing to terrorists, okay, or decreases some antisocial activities. Then to help under a black money, that means to find out the black money. So first one is to plug then to plug financing to terrorists to help unearth black money then after that government also want to reduce the interest rate. This one also one objectives of demonetization. And also formalize India's informal economy. Okay. So when government announced the demonetize the currency of the rupees 500 and 1000 currency notes, that time PM also gave 2 months time for deposit their old currency replaces the new currency in any bank. Now, what are the possible benefits of the demonetization? So first benefits was increased savings, because as a result of demonetization people deposit their money to the bank, so this lead to increases their savings. Next point, lower lending rates. So with currency demonetization, people deposit their money to bank, so there will be the more money circulation, and for that reason the bank also give the loan as a lower interest rate. So also improved our economy. How? Because where they deposited more and more money to the bank, which leads the higher circulation of money, and this one also leads the better economy. Okay students, next, curbing antisocial activities. So here, mode of transaction will be digital. Okay, government declared that the people use the transaction as digitally. That means use cashless transaction, where there is also curbing the antisocial activities. Then reducing counterfeit currency notes. So when we deposit our money to bank in the time of the demonetization, bank genuinely check the old currency. After that, they given back the new currency to the people. So that's why there is no chances for the counterfeit currency notes. So demonetization also leads reducing counterfeit currency notes. So these are the possible benefits of the demonetization. So student, these are the what is the demonetization, what are the aims of the demonetization, and what are the possible benefits or advantages of the demonetization. And in the next class, I will discuss about the disadvantages of the demonetization. Okay student, so for today, thank you.